Come test drive the 2019 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.